Now as we move into harmonic equivalence, I'd like to first demonstrate the motifs that I developed for each of these chord structures. So for the tonic, the major 7 chord, and this tune is in F major 7, I came up with a 2-bar motif that is stable and feels like it wants to be a resolution point. So this is what it sounds like. This is at the bottom of page 57. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the subdominant and dominant that leads into that, I came up with this motif. This is on the very bottom of page 57. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I wanted it to have some sense of forward motion and inertia that wants to move to the tonic that is more stable. Now, turning the page here, I'm going to demonstrate actually the full harmonic equivalence, and I've added one more figure. In the bridge of this tune, we have the circle of fifths where we go to temporary chord, key centers. And so I wanted to come up with sort of the same motif to show each one of those, because it's not, I didn't want it to be as strong as the primary tonic. So in the bridge, I play this motif, and this is shown on the top of page 59. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, placing these motifs, and there's also shorter versions so that they comport with the tune where the chord progression is in a shorter span of maybe 1 measure or so. All of that is in the book, so you can look at that. So the end result here is on page 59, where I've written in all these places where that strong chord progression exists, I've written in these motifs. So I'm going to play this over the tune, Have You Met Miss Jones? I'm going to sing it first, as always, and then play as given. Check out how this actually ends up sounding very much like the melody of the tune, in a way. So there's this interesting connection with the tune, even though all the motifs are generated from the harmonic content of the tune instead of the melodic content. It's pretty interesting. Here we go. Have You Met Miss Jones? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ba ba da da ba. Ba ba da da ba 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 da 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 ba ba. Ba ba da da ba. Ba ba da da ba ba da ba 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 da da ba ba. Ba da ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Ba ba ba.